Hey guys, I'm over at Green Street and I have found an elevator to ride. Looks to be a Schindler 330A. And it's right here. It's got that 330A smell. This isn't a motor. Quite a bit of space between floors, as you can see. I'll push the button on this side. If you go to the upper deck, you see the LED light fixtures in there. These are basic Schindler 300 or 3000 or 300 million and 30A elevator. I wish that was the name of the elevator. They could all have dry-powered motors too, but that would only be for higher capacity, of course, which isn't feasible for this elevator function. But still, that sounds like a crazy idea. And my yapping session is ended, so I'll conclude the video.